Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 88th session in this journey, and today we are going to start a new section where we are going to talk and learn more about the pivot tables inside of Microsoft Excel. So in this section we are going to take a look at working with one of the more powerful tools that Microsoft Excel has to offer, Excel pivot tables, right? So not only is it a powerful tool, but it's also one of my favorite tool to work with inside of Excel. Excel pivot tables will allow you to quickly summarize the data from a list. Let me give you an example here, and then we'll jump in and start to create them and maintain them and make edits to them and so on. So take a look here. So open in front of you, I have still got our example file. I'm currently on the sales data worksheet. Now I have already built a quick little pivot table. You won't have this inside your example, but on the right hand side, this is an example of a pivot table. Now this little table here is actually based on the table right next to this area right here, and it's got a couple of hundred records. If I keep scrolling down, you will see all of these records, and you can do that inside of your example right there. Now as you can see on the left hand side, we have got a typical Excel list, right? It's got a column header along the top, year, month, type, salesperson, region, sales units, and so on, and it's got rows of records down below. Now that's great list, and somebody somewhere, if not you, is maintaining a list like that, right? Entering records, adding new records, removing records, whatever they are doing, but they're keeping track of some line items, some list items. Now that's great, but what I would like to do is summarize that data, those hundreds or thousands of records, and I want to quickly summarize it. I want to get down to how many sales happened in a specific month, how much did we sell for a specific month, maybe yearly, which products sold the best, which employees are ranking at the top as far as sales are concerned, right? That's all information that I like to get out of that list. But just the list all by itself, although it's full of all the information that we need, it doesn't really give us that type of information directly. It doesn't show us a summary of sales by month or year or salesperson or product. That's where a pivot table comes into play. So a pivot table, the example here on the right hand side, I have taken the month column and I have placed it inside the row section of the pivot table, and now I have got all the unique months right there, right? January, February, and so on. And I have then taken the type of the product and I placed that inside the column labels, and now I have got some nice column header here for the various products that the list contains. Now what do I want to do with that? I have got it broken up by months, I got it broken up by product. Now I have taken the sales column and I have placed that inside of what's called the value section of the pivot table, and now it's summing it up. It's summarizing that data based on those row headings, the month, and the column headings, the product, right? And at a glance I can look at and say, oh yeah, April for ice cream we sold this, February for tasty treats we sold this, right? Imagine doing that with the list like this, what we have on the left hand side. Not the easiest thing to do, but we introduce a pivot table based on that list and we can quickly summarize that data. Now this is just one snapshot of a pivot table and a specific layout that I have just thrown some field into, but one of the beauties of pivot table is how quickly you can edit the layout and what it summarizes and how it summarizes. So that's what we are going to take a look at over the next few videos here, how to summarize a large list that you maintain inside of Excel into a pivot table structure. So let's take a look at it. Hope you like this introduction of the pivot table. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.